Hello everyone! Are you looking for a natural way to boost your weight loss efforts? Look no further than ginger. In this video we will discuss the 10 potential benefits of ginger for weight loss and how to incorporate it into your diet. Boosts metabolism. Ginger can help boost metabolism by increasing the rate at which your body burns calories. This can help you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation in the body can make it difficult to lose weight. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation and support weight loss. Regulates blood sugar. Ginger can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity, which may help reduce cravings for sugary foods. Reduces appetite. Ginger can help reduce appetite by increasing feelings of fullness and satiety. This can help you eat fewer calories overall and support weight loss. Lowers cholesterol. High cholesterol can make it difficult to lose weight. Ginger may help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Reduces stress. Stress can contribute to weight gain. Ginger has calming properties that may help reduce stress and anxiety, which can support weight loss efforts. Improves digestion. Digestive issues can make it difficult to lose weight. Ginger can help improve digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices and reducing inflammation in the gut. Increases energy. Ginger can help increase energy levels, which may encourage more physical activity and support weight loss. Aids in detoxification. Ginger has detoxifying properties that can help eliminate toxins from the body, which may support weight loss efforts. Anti-obesity effects. Studies suggest that ginger may have anti-obesity effects by inhibiting the accumulation of fat in the body and reducing inflammation. Incorporating ginger into your diet? Now that you know the benefits of ginger for weight loss, how can you incorporate it into your diet? Here are some easy ways to add ginger to your meals. Drink ginger tea. Add grated ginger to smoothies. Use ginger in cooking like stir-fries or soups. Drink ginger water in the morning. Conclusion: ginger is a natural and delicious way to support your weight loss goals. By incorporating it into your diet, you can enjoy its many benefits and boost your weight loss efforts. Remember to talk to a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. Thanks for watching.